Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Jen and Barry's green shirt, red beard, and I'll be using Bundle Monster Maniology BM-H04, BM-H05. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat, and this is Jen and Barry's green shirt, red beard. So pretty. So here we go. We're going to get started with our first coat. Get that all on there nice and smooth. It does have a really good formula. I'm not having any issues with pooling or, it's just a good formula. Got those pretty flakies in it. I'm going to go ahead and cap my free edge. Ta-da! We're going to go in for our second coat of green shirt, red beard. I'm having a little issues today, y'all. I think the polish is perfectly named. I think it's because it's got that red shimmer that's jumping out of it, along with those flakies. Oops, I made a mess. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Woody's like, I'll take care of that for you. There we go. We'll get that cleaned up. I'm going to top it with INMs out the door. Get this to dry down some. It's a little thick. It hadn't dried very good, so hang on a second. We're going to cap that free edge, and that takes care of that. Alright, here's a swatch photo of it on its own. And here we go. I'll be using Maybelline's Bold Gold, not a stamping polish. Not available probably anymore. BM-H04, BM-H05. These were the only stamping plates with St. Patrick's Day images on it in my collection. I have since taken care of that, y'all. I've got one from Maniology, thanks to Guyleen. She was talking about it on her channel, so I had to hop over there and buy it. And I also have one coming in the mail, and I can't remember what company it is, but next year, we're going to have more. I have always used these same two plates every year and decided I definitely needed some more. My husband's Irish, so kind of ashamed to admit that we don't own more stamping plates like this. But up till now, I guess these have always worked, because there's several images to choose from, and, you can get away with since it's a once-a-year holiday. But anyway, enough babbling about it. I'm excited that more images we'll be able to use. So we're just plopping along. I'm using different images from both of the plates, just mix and match. None of the nails are going to look the same. They're all going to be different. And it's a basic stamping manicure, which sometimes is just really nice because it's really quick. Got the little coins going on the pinky. I am going to clean both of these plates off with pure acetone and wipe them with a paper towel. Put them away clean. They stick to that mat really well, so I'm having to trick them off the mat by picking up the mat. I like to clean everything up before I put it away. So there we go. I am going to hop in with a piece of tape and get this excess polish up off my skin. Best I can. Most of it. Not all of it's going to come up. But that's okay. We've got a plan. We're going to take care of that too. Now we're going to hop in with our cleanup brush and some acetone. Now you can use regular nail polish remover. I just prefer to use the acetone because I think it works faster. It is more harsh on the cuticles, but, that's how it is. I am going to top these stamp designs with some smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And once that's totally dry, I'm going to be using Poshe top coat today. This is my glossy, thick, final top coat. Going to protect this manicure so I can wear it for a while. Going to cap that free edge with that also. So here you have it. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.